everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Andreea and in today's video I am going to talk about eyebrows. This is going to be a very short video because I've just discovered this new product from Glossier. This is not sponsored, okay? It's called Brow Flick. And recently I was demonstrating how this product works on my stories, and a lot of you were intrigued by this product. And in this video you're going to see what I'm talking about. This is something that I've never used before. This is a result that I have never gotten before with any other product. So I thought it deserves a whole video. Before we get into it, make sure you've subscribed to my YouTube channel, clicked on that ring bell button so you'll be notified every time I'm posting a new video. Now let's see this new eyebrow technique. I am doing the eyebrows on bare skin. I haven't applied anything else other than, my skincare. No makeup at all. Because I think that this product performs the best on clean skin. Let me give you a few details about this product. So this is from Glossier. I've ordered this from their website. If you're in France, this comes in like 3 working days. And they say that this is a brush tip detailing pen that fills in brows with feather-light strokes that actually look real. I 100% agree with this description, and you're gonna see it in a second that they're right. Use it to define the arch, extend the tail, and add depth in sparse areas. This is ophthalmologist tested, smudge-proof, long-wearing, so true, vegan, paraben-free, cruelty-free, dairy-free, soy-free, gluten-free, hypoallergenic, dermatologist tested. This is 18 euros. That's how much I paid for it. Now let's see it work. I'm going to use the color brown. I think that this is the best match for me. Now this is how my eyebrows look up close. I do have some eyebrow material, so I don't need a lot of filling. I just want to demonstrate how this product works. You kind of need a steady hand for this one. I would like to fill in the eyebrows a little bit, like right here. I barely touch the skin and it just makes a mark immediately. I have very sparse eyebrows at the tail. Man, I love this. I'm doing the hair-like strokes in the same direction as the growth of my natural hair. Like right here. Maybe I've exaggerated with this one right here. Let me also try the black one, because I feel like in the eyebrows there is not each and every hair the exact same color. So let's do some black as well, like right here. Man, this is crazy. It looks like microblading. But the best thing is that you can go home and wash it and it goes off. But Get me closer, I want to show something. Check this out. This is smudge proof. It could save so many people's eyebrows, I feel. Wow, I'm so impressed with this product. And guys, I'm gonna be honest with you, this is not the best result I could have with these products because this is only my second time using it, and I'm not used on applying an eyebrow like this. And although I'm a makeup artist, I do need some practice with such product. I'm so impressed. Now check out the difference. Guys, this is unbelievable. I'm sure not everybody will like this because for some people it definitely looks like a tattoo. But for those of you who love this effect, I recommend this product 100%. Let's do the other eyebrow. Now this eyebrow is just, not only that it's not sister with the other one, they're not even relatives. I keep on looking at the other one. You kind of have to sense the product, so you need to practice in order to get the best results. Incredible how I can touch them and they stay in there. I feel like there is still a little bit of product missing right here. I've got eyebrows. I don't have any other makeup on, but I do have eyebrows. Eyebrows are so important. It's the only part of our face that gives us expression. So I always say the way you contour them, the color, the shape, it's so important. And I've used a lot of eyebrow products. I'm a huge Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow products lover. So, and it's not just because I used to work for Anastasia, it's because I genuinely think that she's got the best eyebrow products and just such a big variety of products. But when I discovered this, I was like, wait a minute. If you like the very realistic stroke of hair in your brows, you might want to check this out. I guess this is it. This is my video about this new product that I'm literally so amazed by, so I wanted to share it with you. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you've subscribed to my YouTube channel. Click on that ring bell button so you don't miss any videos like this one. You can also follow me on Instagram as well. That's the first place where I share new products with you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!